Hiya! In today's video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to download your emails from Gmail and import them into a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Let's get started. Step 1, you're going to have to install the Gmail export plugin. To do this, it's super easy. You'll have to go on the Chrome Web Store, and here you'll have to look for Mailmeter, follow up, export emails in Gmail. So this plugin is awesome because it allows you to easily search and download your emails with just one click. And guess what? It's actually developed by Mailmeter. Step 2. Open Gmail. Once you've successfully installed the Gmail export plugin, open your Gmail account. Now let's search for the emails you want to download. So for example, you can search for all emails received in the last 30 days. You can see that by clicking onto export and seeing all the emails you've got here. Step 3, download the emails. So once you've found the desired emails, it's time to export them. Look for the export button in your Gmail inbox. If you can't find this export button, so you've noticed we've seen it here, go back to step 1 and make sure you've installed the Gmail export plugin correctly. Step 4, get the download link. So after clicking onto the export button, the export process will begin. Shortly after, you'll receive an email from us with a download link for your exported emails. It's super easy, it will get straight into your inbox and all you'll have to do is click on it. We can go ahead and close it. As you can see, we've got it in our inbox. Just go ahead and click on it and click on download export. Step 5, import the CSV file into Google Sheets. Now let's import the exported emails into a Google Sheets spreadsheet. So first what you'll want to do is click here on Google Apps and then open Sheets, and we'll wait for it to load. And once you're done, you can just go ahead and click on create a new spreadsheet by clicking on blank. So here we'll click on File and Import, Upload, Browse. All of these steps are for you to be able to get the document that you've just downloaded. Click on it and then it will do its work. Just import data, and there you have it. Your emails are now successfully exported from Gmail and imported into Google Sheets. You can now begin working with the data in your spreadsheet. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to download emails from Gmail. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Happy exporting!